Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can scan a QR code on your Android device. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put likes and write comments after watching the video. So, let us get down to our topic today. And I will tell you right away that I will show you two methods how you can do it. The first method is through the camera and the second method is through the gallery. So, let's get started. And first of all, you're going to need to open the camera. And I'll tell you right away that on all Android is different, all the settings, absolutely everything. And first of all, look on your Android. Maybe you'll see that you have a sign like this. This sign will help you to scan a QR code. You will have to click on this sign and then hover over the QR code. And this way, friends, you can either have the address written here. Here you see the address of the site. Or you can click just on the search. In this way, you will go to the site, which is on this QR code where you will be redirected. This was the first method. By the way, I will also say, friends, that if you do not find this special sign, first of all, you can do what? Go to the settings on your Android, and here in the menu find the QR code scanner, and just activate it, because maybe it's just not active. Or you have it just through the camera, you don't need to press anything. You just need to open the camera and point the scanner at the QR code, and the link to some site will appear at once. And the second method, friends, which I would like to show you. For this purpose, you will have to open the gallery. If, let's say, you have photographed some QR code in advance, or, let's say, you have been sent a photo of some QR code, you can easily scan a QR code on Android and through the photo. To do this, open such a photo with a QR code. Next, you will need to find such and such a sign on your Android. Or you can open three dots, click, and here in the menu find the QR code scanner. When you find the scanner or this sign, then literally in a few seconds, as you can see, you will also find the site, to which you can easily go and open it thanks to the QR code. Friends, these are the ways you can scan QR code on Android. I really hope this video helped you and was useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.